Hi, my name's Frank McGranny, and I've been madly in love with this plug socket for the past 10 years of my life. I don't know why people think it's so weird that I'm in love with a plug socket. I just felt the connection immediately. It's so romantic what we have, and it's only our love. And I won't let anyone get in the way of our love.
You're a dirty little sucker, aren't you? Oh yes, yes. Get right in there.
Mate, you're probably molesting that plug socket. There's kids around, watch it.
This is my relationship, and you have no say in the matter!
Right.
Yes.
So we're gonna get mental help for this thing?
Fuck no! Why would I get mental health for my wife? We're gonna get married one day, and you're gonna do nothing about it! What's this guy's problem? I feel like you're being hate crimed! I don't give a fuck! I don't give a flying fuck! I'm done with this interview.